This is secret effects of the gloss and protection for your car using Flux Hybrid. Flux Hybrid is the combination of two elements. First, paint protection technology based on premium wax. Second, ceramic technology. The level of concentration and quality of rich reflective gloss looks slick and hydrophobic effect, which is good for maintenance your car body paint. Here you can see, Flux Hybrid give a good result after applying car body paint. The effect after application is gloss effect.
Hurry, visit Premio Malaysia for more info.